NINGTHINA plan TOUDABA MAONG AMADA CHATHARAKLIBA state ASIGI URBANIZATION AMADI MODERNIZATION की Thabak-Thouram Shing na Angang Shing की Hakshel Da Nakoinana Cheitheng Pidaba Natte HAINA Manipur University की Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam asing asi Pediatric Association of Manipur PAM na sillaga Lamfel pata laiba IMA Hall da pangthokpa kunipan suba Manipadicon 2024 ke thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani. Environmental influences on child health addressing local challenges haiba theme da pangthokpa thoram aduda Professor N Lokendra na hai anouba makhalgi diagnosis treatment hidak langthak amade technology na chingba kaya leptana puthorakpa maramna ngasidi medical science ase aduki mate khumang chausile amaramda urbanization amasong socio political ke ohongba kaya haukiba chuhi yangkhairom asidade leptana uba fanglakli Masida NINGTHINA plan TOUDABA manba urbanization amasong modernization ge machat ama aikhoina uba fangli haukiba chahi yangkhairong gi matamga changdamnaba matamda anuba lambi thong building amade tongan ba makhal gi infrastructure kaya tampaki mafam singda leptana semgatlakli laibak thibadi plan TOUDABA manba maong amada paikhatlagliba urbanization ge Thabak-Thouram Shing asina khunai asida achouba safu ama piri Masiga iroinana angang amate hawalakliba naha singge Hakshel Da Nakoinana Cheitheng Pidaba Natte Chawkhat Thourangi mingda pukri funjilakpa sanabung kaya mangsilakpa wapal amade mongshongna chingba kaya lairaktabadage mahaushana piramba kanaba sing nasidi fangba ngamdre Hauzikki matamda mahausa amashung khunai anigi marakta lainagadaba mari adu uwa fangdre matam amada lairamba iram nalagi fibam hauzikka changdamnabada aduki matek fibam sokle Iram nala NINGTHINA leisil laktaba amade lairiba khara asisu funjil lakpana maram oiraga laina tilna kaya thoraknabaki machak ohele masida chawna Cheitheng fangadoriba ase angang amade ahal animaktane ngasi pangthokliba conference asida urbanization amasong modernization na Hakshel da pirakliba tongan ba Cheitheng kaya gi matangda marik chumba wafam sing nainagani haibagi thajaba lai maroina hauzik ki matamda angang singge Hakshel Fana Thamnaba Anouba Thourang Kaya Amaso Puthorakani Haibagi Thazaba Thamli Haina Professor N Lokendra Makhatana Phongdoki Tharamatuda PAM ke President Professor CH Shyamsunjar Patron Dr. TH Nabachandra Organizing Secretary Dr. L Basanta Amade Central IAP ke Executive Board Member Professor N Kameshorna Presidium Member Singh Oina Saruk Yakhe
Complex and a very rampant form of socio-economic conflict. And this conflict has permeated to each and every locality, probably each and every family, and it has very gravely affected the entire community life, the entire social life of the people in Manipur. Many of the children of the families which were adversely affected by this socio-economic conflict, whether it is insurgency or ethnic conflict or community conflict, there has been tremendous stress on the mental, physical, as well as normal life of our near and dear ones, of our friends, and of the mass of citizens of this state.